Can you bring your hand up and just pinch there for me? And can you bring your hand up and just pinch right there? Right, you ready? Now again, make sure you can't shoot the mirror. Hello, I am Alan Rorrison, and this is Thru. Thru is a super visual, super clean, anything through bill. What this gimmick will allow you to do is take any object, which could be a bank card, business card, even headphones, wrap a bill around them and have that pass all the way through. Everything is instantly examinable as well. Take out your fiver for me, or your...
About €5.
There we go. What's going to happen is make sure I don't cheat. Make sure I don't. As in fact, you can see this from the back of there. Just put that in there, alright? Yeah. Don't cheat. Nothing funny. Make sure I don't cheat. Okay?
Yep, sir.
In fact, you can see this from the back. There's no funny from the back. This will work with paper bills, it'll work with plastic bills. In fact, if you wanted to, you could make this out of a lottery ticket. Thru is one of those gimmicks that once you have it made up, you will have it in your wallet and you will keep it there at all times. My name is Alan Rorrison, and this is Thru.